Coming up next on BrianRhodesTV, we're going to take a look at label designs Z06 with MillTek exhaust.
It's about the exhaust on this car.
Yeah.
Frankie.
So my name is Frankie. I'm from MillTek. So we are the ones that partnered with Andy on this for the exhaust. So to the front of the system here, off the manifolds, we do have our high flow sports cats. Great cats. They pick up a bunch of power on the Z06. Just from swapping those in, picks up about 20 horsepower, which is great, but doing the cats. And then for this build, as you can see, the crazy diffuser, the tri-tip exhaust, we did a basically one-off custom for his kits, a tri-tip catback that fits to those.
Are they actually going to start selling this
No, so we have our Z06 system over here. That's the standard Z06, but this is kind of for Andy and for Label for these builds that they do. We are his exhaust partner, so whenever he completes the next one, we'll have our exhaust done.
Okay.
Yep.
Are they pass admissions and everything, or?
I plead the fifth.
Oh, okay.
No,
Could you show us?
No, it will pass missions because it does have the cats. It is a high flow HJS 200 cell cat.
Okay.
That is has more wash coatings, no check engine lights. So they really will hold up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you show us the one for the Z06?
Yeah,
All right.
for sure. Yeah, missions passed. Sound levels?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is our standard Z06 system. So these are the exact same cats that are actually on that car there. We hand do everything there, so you can see the flanges. We cut those ourselves, all the work here, the welding. And then it's a Formula 1 technology heat coating thermal barrier. So this is going to keep all the heat in and out, which is really good that you need on these. And then, yeah, as you can see, this is our cat back. It's a really nice design, bolts right up to the ends of these cats. And then you have your loud mode. So valves open, it's going to roll through this 80 millimeter pipe here and go out to these 4.5-inch tips. And when valves are closed, you're cruising through the neighborhood. It's going to force the exhaust gases up through this smaller diameter pipe here and then out the tips to be a little bit more tame.
Does that use the factory valves, or?
It does, yeah. It has these factory valve, the actuators, the motors, they sit right on these here.
Okay, I can see it.
So we actually don't use any like springs or don't use any adapters. The motor goes straight to the plate and it opens and closes. When you press it in Z mode, it's going to open. Out of Z mode, comfort mode.
Yeah, I actually took the standard Z06 exhaust and I actually put it on my C8 and I use those valves.
Nice.
I still have to use a simulator for the.
Yeah. So this one though, yeah, bolts right on, no check engine lights. Valves are functioning the same as factory.
What is the price point that these start out at?
Yeah, so this system right here, as you see, for the cat back is around $3,300. Depending on the tip finish, if you want to do the black tips, it's a little bit more around the $3,400, $3,500. And then the cats are around the $3,100 range as well.
Do those tips come in carbon fiber also?
We do not. Just due to this design, we only have the polished and the black. The big thing with these tips, it's a 3-piece design, so we're able to keep a 3-inch diameter on the internal as well, so you're not losing any flow. Biggest thing we actually found with this is if you had a smaller diameter tip, it would actually create, not enough, or wouldn't be enough flow in the system, so we actually kept it as big as possible all the way throughout.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, thanks for your time, Frankie. I appreciate it. Of course.